guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to remove a program from your computer based on Windows into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and ways to use international sites favors. So let's get things started. First thing, go to your initializer panel, okay, just like this, and to the search box, we're gonna type add or remove programs, just like this. Click into this one with the gear icon, and you're gonna be able to find all the apps present on your computer. Find the app that you would like to delete or to remove. You can use the search field right here if you prefer, or go to the old-fashioned method, searching things one by one. And I'm looking to remove the Amazon Video for Windows, so the Prime Video. Find the program. Now review the right sidebar of your screen. Next to the size there is these three little dots. Click on it. We have advanced options, move or install. Click on install. This app and related info will be installed. No problem. Click on install and just wait. Of course, according to the app that you would like to install, you're gonna share with you options to remove data, options to try to convince you in order to not install, a goodbye message. It changes according to the app that you are trying to install, but normally it's a quite easy process, okay? For example, right here, if in the case they want to delete this program, you have other extra steps. And it's gonna open a pop-up as well. Simple, right? After doing your change, just remember, process can't be undone that easy. So remember to only install programs that you are really without needs for. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the